In this video, I want to show you how to create custom grid index features in ArcGIS. To do that, the first thing I would like to bring in the shapefile of my study area. So I'll click on Add Data and bring in the shapefile of my study area. Click on Add. Here I have my study area. If I want to create custom grid features around my study area, let me show you how to do it. To do that, click on Arc Toolbox, then come to Cartography Tools, click to expand it. Come to Data Driven page, click to expand it, and here you can see Grid Index Features. Click to open the Grid Index Feature page. When it's opened, Output Feature class, navigate to your working folder and give it a name. Let's call it Grid. Click on Save. Then the Input feature, click on the drop down and select your study area. Then scroll down. Here, make sure, if you scroll down, make sure you check Generate Polygon Grids that intersect input feature layers or data sets. Then come here, Polygon Width. Choose the unit of the polygon width. I want to choose kilometer. Then specify the dimension. I want it to be 2 km by 2 km. Then scroll down. Here, the number of rows and number of column. Specify it. I want 20 column and 20 rows. So specify it like this and click on OK. It will run and create the customized grids around your study area just like this. Now I can close this page. To better appreciate it, let me change the symbology to hollow. I'll click here and select hollow and click on OK. Yes, you can see it. You can see it. Now you can check the attribute of the grid created. Right click and open the attributes table. In the attributes table, it has created page name and page number. You can see it has given page name to each of the grid and also page number. You can see it, such that if I select this, the first grid, you can see it here. This is the first grid. It's giving page name A15 and page number 1. So if you select any one of the grid, you can see it. Just select any one. You can see the attributes, the page name and page number. Then the next thing we can do, you may want to clip the exact grids that fall within the boundary of your study area. So to do that, come to Geoprocessing and click on Clip. When it opens, the input feature will be the grid, and then the clip feature, that is the study area. And here you can navigate to your working folder and let's just name it Grid Clip. Then click on Save and click on OK. So in few seconds, it will clip the grids within our study area. Yes, it is done. Let me uncheck the bigger one. You can see the grids within our study area boundary. So I can change this also to hollow and click on OK. Then if I open the attributes, right click and open attributes table, you can see the attributes. It has page name and page number. Now we can choose to label each of the grids such that at a glance we can see the grid number. So to do that, right click and come to Properties. When it opens, come to Label. Check Label features in this layer, and then we want to label it with page number. Make it bold and click on OK. Yes, you can see that it has been labeled. So at a glance, you can know the page number of each of the grids. So in essence, this is how to create custom grid index feature in ArcGIS. If you like this video, kindly share it and subscribe. Thank you for watching.